AI is printing money right now, and you definitely want to cash in. Yesterday, I experimented and I figured out something really cool that you could go to business owners and basically sell this as a package where you basically clone their likeness, clone their audio, and create video ads for them. I think this is a really easy business to go and sell as an agency, to just basically tell a business owner like, hey, you don't like recording ads, or hey, you record good ads, but what if I could give you 20 variations of that ad?
This idea only needs a few pieces to work, and it's relatively cheap and easy to set up, and the links will be in the description. So let's jump into exactly what this idea is and how it works. I know a few business owners who are using this right now, and basically one of them said they haven't recorded an ad in the last 18 months. So it's super powerful, but basically no one knows about this. I'm sure of it. And you could go out and just sell this as a package. So basically you just create an avatar you can have one avatar on, I think there's a free plan here to start, and you can just like check it out, but I'm on the $29 per month. And basically you can have an avatar for yourself or for this business owner. They upload like 2 minutes of high quality footage, and then they have to say some words to create it. So then you get this like hyper realistic avatar. And let me show you a actual video using it. This is also using 11 Labs audio, which I'll show you in a second.
This is my AI audio clone. What do you think? I like long walks on the beach and a movie with my girlfriend. How about you? Oh, and leave a comment and subscribe and like this video, please. It helps the algorithm boost this video.
Not perfect, but it's pretty good, and kind of depends on, like, sometimes you have to do multiple outputs, but with some music, some captions, cutting in and out with B-roll, you're not going to know the difference. Now, this avatar that I trained was my first shot, and it's not perfect. Like I would do, like, you notice my arm, you can't put your arm by your face because they're like animating your lips to make it look real. So don't do that when you're shooting this for yourself or for other people. But yeah, it wasn't perfect. Like I would redo mostly that, like use footage where I don't put my arm up, and I would probably shoot a video specifically for this, which I didn't do. I used like another video I had. Okay, the next thing you need to do, because the heygen audio is not as good as 11 Labs. So 11 Labs is an audio cloning platform, and this is basically the text-to-speech model. So basically I went here and I created a voice, called my name, and then basically all you do is this, instantly clone voice, or you actually want to do a professional voice clone. I guess we've reached the limit, so we can only do one, but basically you just upload 30 minutes minimum, 2 hours maximum, and I did 2 hours to get this voice, which I think is pretty good.
This is my AI audio clone. What do you think? I like long walks on the beach and a movie with my girlfriend. How about?
Pretty good. I think part of the issue is it doesn't sound quite real enough because there's no like echo or anything in the voice, but yeah, it's pretty good, and it's better than the internal heygen audio. So then what I did, so you have your voice person here, you got your video synced up. So you could just come into heygen and do this all yourself with just like, you can create a video, and I'll get to where you're going to sell this to a business and kind of how that's going to translate. But you come here, you click on AI video, and then you could just put in a script here. So let's say with a business, let's say you go out and sell them, I'll create a package for $5,000 a month, and I'll deliver you 50 ads per month. And then you just, let's say, go into ChatGPT or basically create these ad scripts, and then you could throw this script into here and basically once they train their avatar once, you're good to go, and you can make more looks of it. But then you just take that script, put it in here, or you can use this workflow where you go to 11 Labs, put the script into here, and then you can just basically
This
download.
is my AI audio clone. What do you?
You can just download basically this audio, like any script.
This is my AI audio clone.
And then you could come over to heygen, kind of showing you just like 2 different ways you could do it. Then you come here to upload audio, and you could upload this audio right here. And basically it's going to use that audio and sync my lips up, or the AI avatar's lips up with that audio. So 2 workflows. The simplest one is just a heygen. You clone their likeness, and then you come in here and put scripts, like for selling their product, whatever their product is, or to book a car or whatever, can talk about the marketing side of it, or like how to write the scripts. But basically that's how you do it. Or to make it even better, you could sell them on the idea of like, we want to really make sure your voice sounds like you, because if people listen to them, if people listen to this person a lot, then you probably need to do 11 Labs approach, if people don't really listen to them, like they don't know their voice that well, the heygen internal audio system that clone them is probably going to be good enough, and you can just play around and see how it sounds. Okay, and to tie it all together, if you want to get fancy with it, I basically made this N8N workflow, which is like a way to customize workflows to get two different tools, in this case heygen and 11 Labs, working together. So I could basically put in video copy, which was the original copy you saw, and then it spit out this video that you saw on heygen by just the click of a button. In this case, I did test workflow. I'll put this in the description so you can actually copy this if you want. I think the simplest way to sell this is just with the heygen, because it's the simplest way to do it. And then for power users, you could use 11 Labs and or an N8N workflow and sell them on that. But really, you could just have different packages for different amount of ads or videos that you'll create that brand. And this is going to work best for brands that have a face to their brand, or you can do UGC stuff with another avatar. But really, you're going to save them a ton of time if they're currently shooting ads. Like, you go after businesses that are shooting ads with their face, with their likeness, and basically be like, I'm going to clone you, and it's going to be way cheaper. And on top of that, if you have a really good ad that's doing really well, I can take that ad and create 10 or 20 variations for you. And you can just do that with heygen, basically come up with 10 hooks based on the original ad with ChatGPT, and then take those hooks, put them into heygen, and take the beginning hook of the original video and take it out, and then splice in the 10 new ones, and then you have 10 variations right there. Not a lot of time at all to do that. And actually, there's going to be a software called Icon in the next 3 weeks. They told me they're working on that functionality where it basically will create 10 or 20 variations for you. But you can also just do it yourself right now with heygen, and you don't even need 11 Labs or N8N. That's all just bonus. Really, you just need to get business owners excited on the idea that you're going to save them a ton of time, and you can basically just make them so they don't have to shoot ads, they don't shoot video sales letters, they don't need to shoot thank you pages. And the reason you should do it versus someone else is you have a lot more experience with copywriting, you know how to write ads that sell, and you're just going to take it hands off. They don't have to worry about it, and you're going to deliver these ads to them hands off. They don't have to do anything except upload them to Facebook ads or to their website. I think a few of you are going to take this idea and run with it, and I know it's going to sell. I hope you guys got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to come up with a lot more ideas and actual things I'm doing myself. I can't do it all right now, so I'm going to share ideas I have and also stuff I'm doing right now that's making money in AI. I also just love AI in general, so if you're new to this channel, I'm really just covering not just how to make money with AI, but AI news, tips, tech, just kind of staying on the cutting edge, because AI moves so fast. You don't want to get left behind, and the more you learn, the more you earn. All these things are tools in your tool belt that you can go out and then sell to other businesses, or make your own website, make your own app, or make your own business. All right, I'll see you on the next video.